Guys, this is Ty from Early Birds Foundation. Mikey Mcbryan decided to pay a visit at the Early Birds Foundation, and we're showing him around all the airplanes. Let's have a look.
They designed it that it would fit in a normal sized garage, so you just tow it behind your car, drive to the nearest golf club, fold out the wings, take off and go flying with your mate.
It's a little generator here?
Yeah, but because originally some of our aeroplanes didn't have a radio because they didn't need one. But they don't have a generator on the engine, therefore, and we needed the radio to function on this airfield. So to generate the electricity needed for the radio, we strapped those little, we made these things completely ourselves and strapped them to the bottom of the airplane. You can see them on a lot of them.
It's quite crazy. So which one's your favorite? Sounds like all of them are your favorite.
I really love the DeHavilland aeroplanes. And this is the Fleet Model 2. Actually, it's converted to a Model 7, but this is only 2 months younger than that one, so it's the second oldest flying aeroplane. The engine is now being redone. It is a 5-cylinder radial, but the pilot is in front and not in the rear. That's really unusual by this airplane. This airplane actually crashed in 1932, and they left it on a mountainside for a year. And then they thought, well, we'll just pick it up and make it flying again. And original aeroplane. It worked really hard. It has flown twice, and because it had some issues, and now we're working to sort those issues out. And it will.
How many people are working?
It's quite quiet today, but usually there will be, I think, about 30 volunteers. 57, and if you can feel the controls, they're really light. Full aerobatic, actually. It's my private project. Yeah, and it's on 1913. Yeah. It's an original Buick. And it's the only one in Europe of this type, I think, I found out, and it's really lovely to drive. Just want to have a look at it. I think. Go ahead.
It's his pride.
Get in if you like. And I used to drive it around, I reached the McDrive actually.
Rotary engine.
Yeah. And this is original. It's a 4-liter engine that only produces 26 horsepower. But you can see it's all, when it's turning, it's currently not working. I also would have completely demonstrated the engine, but the ignition is taking the ignition out.
It was a
Fixed, but
it worked.
That's amazing.
grease in it. You have to turn all those little things to grease it. Everything back.